Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back, or if it's your first time, thanks for joining in. Guess what? The time has come. We have found Big Rob and some of the guys from SH2, and they are going to help us get this cab off this truck. Hold my breath, freaking out a little bit. Let's see if we can get these boys together and get this done.
That clutch pedal rod hanging down. You got to come on up.
I got the rod stuff gone. I got the clutch pedal arm coming down.
Yeah.
I need to come this way, don't
Yeah.
You're laying on some lines right here, like.
That ain't our hose. That was the throttle cable. It's been cut in two.
What we got going on, Jesse?
Oh gosh, we're trying to get these forks under here so we can get this thing off here.
Let me look here, Nick.
We gotta hold our breath. Don't pinch anything. I know, I was gonna try to get going.
You coming toward me or back? Yeah.
Everybody's gotta hold their breath, keep their fingers crossed.
Hold up, man. Hold up, man.
Don't sneeze.
Mash that throttle down. Hold up, man, Bill. I think I might throttle get it out of the way. Hold up, man. No, is that the throttle there?
Yeah, that's.
Oh, that's just a bracket. Then that ain't a throttle. That okay.
I can just come around that bracket.
Well, you got to come forward, but we're on top of these lines. That a lot of drag. I come go a little bit more forward. Oh, right there. There you go. Come on in. Oh, back up. A little bit. A little bit. Oh, right there. All right, let Rob go.
It won't hurt the floorboard. It's sitting there like that.
No. They're gonna hit.
Yeah, but I can't tilt this forward. Well, I can't tilt back when I'm on it.
Oh god, it's getting sketchier by the minute. And at the end of the day, we also have to replace a windshield, 2 windows.
Oh Lord.
Straighten up. He's on it. Down a little bit, Rob.
That forward's got to go.
Come on.
What's the next step after we get the cab off here?
Oh my gosh, and start getting it ready for paint. Hopefully the paint comes in this week, and we're going to start on the fenders, see how it lays, and then.
That metal looks real good. I'm surprised how good it turned out.
There's no rust in it,
Yeah.
nowhere. There's no nothing.
Yours will dive under. That's dirt right there.
Come on out there, dude.
This is nerve-wracking.
Yeah.
He's in just a little bit down.
There's nothing okay. That's what's good.
It's about to all be all bad.
We're all really good.
We're all amazing.
Yeah, one or the other. I thought we were going to hoist it. I thought we were going to put straps.
Yeah, and lift, yeah.
Yeah, that 16 potential lines and the floorboard that could potentially.
This will be a really good shot though if it tips over on me. Tell my mama I love her.
Yeah, I will, Greg. I'll tell her.
Let's see if we can get a shot in there without dying.
God, a really good shot of it going through the floorboard. Okay, you're good over here. Let's see. Let's go this one. Oh God, that makes me a wreck.
Man,
It's
we're getting there.
I mean, right, with the front end loader, that's what I thought they were doing. That was our plans.
That'd be so much easier.
Oh God, it's the noises.
And less deadly.
Hold up a second. Let's go watch the other side.
This side over here was going.
This is all so sketchy.
I mean, there's a lot.
There's a lot going on here. Me and you both might die right
We
here,
could
Jess.
die, and there's no boats holding this. Yeah.
If it takes Lee out too,
No,
you've
it's
lost
not
it.
yet. Nowhere near. It's cockeyed. It's crooked. You're coming in this way, like.
Yeah.
Oh. Woo! No, no, no. You're gonna come inside this. You hear me?
I know, go forward.
Yeah, cause this side's gonna, it's gonna come in the thing. Okay, okay, okay. Now come forward.
They get under my line.
Ooh.
Yep. Almost died there.
Tilt forward.
Forward as I go.
All right. Hold up, man.
Can we lift on this side? If a couple of us goes like this while he's coming under it.
Shit, no. Give me a super forward.
Okay. Jess.
Yo.
Come here, baby.
Come on. Come on.
Hey, don't talk to someone.
Woo.
We're on the forks.
Okay.
Well, I'm talking somewhere. All I'm doing is spinning.
I understand. Just fuck.
I see why. They got the forks still underneath the frame.
Right. All I need to do right now is pick it up.
Yeah.
We'll push the cab where we want. Raise her up.
I am, buddy.
Go back.
Ooh, Lord.
Where the blocks up here they fell out.
Front block of sand.
Give me a second.
All right, let me try to come in now.
All right.
I'll let down.
Yeah, you should be able to.
Well, y'all hold pressure over there.
We will. Got him.
There it is.
Come on in. Oh!
Ooh, look at.
I don't think we can push it anymore.
Woo, boys. It's heavy tilting that way, Rob. Something's off up there and it's making it teeter that way when they give it a shove.
I don't see we hit nothing.
Yeah, we are. Yeah, we are.
I think I'm about back out if somebody come over here and help hold on to it.
Somebody.
Oh, Rob. Somebody got to come over here. I can't see on this motor.
This corner, Lee, right here, this corner is what's teetering.
I understand.
Okay, I just didn't know if you could see it from where he's at.
I'm hitting something bigger than hell.
This here, boys, is the #1 reason why you need more than just one or two. This is a whole situation with several boys watching.
I get away now.
Making sure all the cables, gosh, stuff can get hung. It can get a mess real quick. Ooh, easy, mule. Yeah, she's a rockin'. Whew.
Hold back.
That means I go let it
You
down.
can let her down.
Oh.
right underneath.
Yeah, yeah. Hang on. Let me get that close. Hang on.
Go get her.
Yeah, let me take it off.
Take that off.
Yeah.
But I want it well
There it is, guys. Frame off. Everything but the hood. And heck, we can take a couple boats out and get that hood off in just a minute. All the way to the frame. My goodness. Shoo-wee. Makes a whole nother project out of her, but here we are. Here we are. Now we can get that motor out, transmission, get it all cleaned up and painted up. Whew. Big job, big job. But heck, this is the only way to do it. We'll be able to touch everything. We'll know that everything is just as pretty as it could possibly be before this truck pulls out. I mean, I love it. I love it. We'll get that firewall took care of. Everything's within hand's reach. I'm 5'3" and I'll be able to touch everything. I love it. Whew. Another job well done. Lee Smith, you keep pacing around it. What do you think about it?
I think it's getting to be more and more work all the time, is what I'm thinking.
Shoot, gosh.
But it's going to make a pretty job.
Yeah, it will.
We can clean and paint and do things that we couldn't do with it all together.
Yeah. Gee, them little carts, these roll around cart deals that they're on, lets us move it and put it wherever we need to work on it, don't it?
Getting us some warmer climate inside the shop.
Yeah, because we're weak. Look, it gets 55 degrees around here, man. Lee Smith's in Eskimo hoods and gloves.
Yeah,
Oh, goodness. Well, all the way down. All the way down. It has become a frame-off restoration that we're still going to have done by the third week end of March.
And we still got full motor and trans.
Well, of course we do, Lee, but it's a lot easier to pull the motor and trans when you ain't risking hitting nothing. Oh, Lord. I think we got it. I think we'll do it.
We'll get it.
Worst case scenario, guys, Lee's talking about, we'll just have a bucket seat on it and a dummy dash, and we'll drive it to mats like this.
5-gallon bucket.
On a 5-gallon bucket with a little stack rolled out the bottom so we don't get hit.
We'll get you a coffee can set in passengers.
Shoot. Oh, good. Well, guys, there you have it. The cab is off, and man, oh man, this has just took this thing to a whole nother level. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I was freaking out, but here we are. Here we are. Here we have it. This bad boy is a full frame-off restoration, and we're going to get it whooped before mats. We're determined. There's no going back now. It's happening. So stick with us, guys. On the next one, you're going to get to see us shoot some of that real pretty paint that y'all said you like so much. Don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know how we're doing. Thanks, guys. See you next time.